Introduction. Welcome to the world of butterflies. Hello, adventurers. Zog here, ready to take you on another incredible journey. Today, we're spreading our wings to explore the magical world of butterflies. Did you know butterflies can be found on every continent except Antarctica? From the lush rainforests of the Amazon in South America to the sunny meadows of North America, and from the wildflower fields in Europe to the vibrant forests of Asia and Africa, butterflies fill our skies with color. You can even spot them in your backyard. But here's a question for you. Have you ever wondered how such a delicate creature survives in the wild? What challenges do they face as they grow? We're about to find out as we explore the fascinating life cycle of a butterfly step by step. Let's get started. Stage 1, the egg. Every butterfly begins its life as a tiny egg, carefully laid on a leaf by its mother. Depending on the species, these eggs can be round, oval, or even shaped like a barrel. In tropical rainforests such as those in Brazil or Malaysia, you can find butterflies laying their eggs on the lush green leaves of plants. But why do butterflies choose certain plants? Here's a clue. The leaves will be the first meal for the baby caterpillar when it hatches. But hold on. There are dangers even at this early stage. Some eggs may fall prey to hungry ants or other insects before they even hatch. Can you imagine being a tiny egg in the middle of a vast forest? It's not easy. So, why do butterflies lay so many eggs at once? The answer is simple. To make sure that at least a few survive. That's nature's way of giving these tiny creatures a fighting chance. Life lesson. Just like the butterfly, we all start small, and the world can seem big and challenging. Sometimes we face risks or obstacles early on, but it's important to remember that we don't need to be perfect from the start. Like the butterfly's many eggs, life gives us multiple chances. What matters is that we keep trying and growing, just as the butterfly does. Stage 2, the caterpillar larva. When the egg hatches, out comes a caterpillar, also called a larva. It may look small at first, but this little one is on a mission to eat as much as it can. The caterpillar's only job is to munch on leaves and grow bigger and stronger. You can find these hungry caterpillars in the grasslands of Africa, munching on the plants of the Australian outback, or even on the leaves of the tropical trees in India. Now here's a question. Why does the caterpillar need to eat so much? The answer is that it's preparing for its next big transformation. But there's a twist. While eating and growing, the caterpillar is also vulnerable. Birds, spiders, and other predators are always on the lookout for a tasty meal. How does the caterpillar survive? Some of them have bright colors to warn predators that they might be poisonous, while others blend into their surroundings using camouflage. Pretty smart, right? Life lesson. Like the caterpillar, there are times in life when we need to focus on growing and learning. And while we're growing, we might feel vulnerable or unsure of ourselves. There will be challenges and risks along the way, but we can protect ourselves by making smart decisions, just like the caterpillar does with camouflage or bright colors. Always remember, it's okay to take your time to grow and get stronger. You're preparing for something amazing, just like the butterfly. Stage 3, the chrysalis, pupa. After the caterpillar has eaten and grown big and strong, it's time for the next stage, building a chrysalis or pupa. This is where the real magic happens. The caterpillar finds a safe spot, attaches itself to a leaf or branch, and begins to form its chrysalis. Inside this chrysalis, an incredible process called metamorphosis takes place. The caterpillar's body transforms into a butterfly. But here's a question. What's happening inside the chrysalis? The caterpillar's old body parts are breaking down and new parts, like wings, are forming. It's one of nature's most amazing transformations. But there's a danger here, too. The chrysalis must remain hidden and safe from predators like birds or other insects. In places like the rainforests of Brazil or the grasslands of North America, the chrysalis can be well camouflaged to avoid being spotted. Life lesson. Sometimes we need to take time to focus inward, just like the caterpillar in its chrysalis. It's okay to step back and protect ourselves from the outside world while we grow and transform. Personal growth often happens in quiet, hidden moments, And just like the caterpillar, when we're ready, we'll emerge stronger, wiser, and ready to take on the world. Trust the process, even if it takes time. Stage 4, the butterfly. After days, or sometimes even weeks, the chrysalis finally opens, and out comes a fully formed butterfly. It takes a little time for the wings to dry before the butterfly can take its first flight. Now it's ready to explore the skies, fluttering through the jungles of South America, the gardens of Europe, and even the mountain meadows of Africa. The butterfly's wings are often brightly colored to warn predators, or sometimes they are designed to blend into flowers and leaves for safety. But wait, here's another question. What risks does the butterfly face after emerging? While it may now be able to fly, it still needs to be careful. Birds, lizards, and even frogs would love to catch a butterfly for a snack. And there's one more thing the butterfly needs to do: find food. Butterflies have long tongues, called proboscis, to sip nectar from flowers. The nectar gives them the energy they need to survive. Life lesson. Just like the butterfly's first flight, when we reach new stages in life, we might feel fragile or unsure. But with time, we gain strength and confidence. Even though there will still be risks, like the butterfly facing predators, we learn to navigate challenges while enjoying the beauty of life. Every stage of growth is important, and every challenge we face helps us soar higher. Conclusion: nature's artists. Now that we've seen the entire life cycle from egg to butterfly, we know just how incredible these creatures are. Not only are they beautiful, but they also play an important role in nature by helping pollinate flowers. As they flutter from flower to flower, they help plants grow, making the world a more colorful and lively place. And guess what? Butterflies are found all over the world, from the rainforests of the Amazon to the gardens in your neighborhood. They are true artists of nature, painting the sky with their colorful wings. Final life lesson. Like the butterfly, we all go through different stages of growth. From small beginnings to beautiful transformations, every part of our journey matters. Whether you're learning something new, facing a challenge, or taking time to grow, remember that you are capable of amazing things. Stay curious, keep growing, and don't be afraid to fly. Hey there, explorers. Did you know butterflies have some incredible superpowers? Here's a fun fact. Butterflies can taste with their feet. Yes, you heard it right. They use tiny sensors on their feet to taste the leaves they land on, helping them find the perfect spot to lay their eggs. Cool, right? And here's another mind-blowing fact. A butterfly's wings are covered in thousands of tiny scales that create those brilliant colors. Some butterflies even look like leaves to hide from predators. Talk about being a master of disguise. How amazing is nature? But wait, there's more. Butterflies are also important pollinators, helping flowers grow and spread. So, next time you see a butterfly fluttering around, remember, it's doing a lot more than just looking pretty.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more exciting content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your comments and shares really help the channel grow. So feel free to leave your thoughts and spread the word. Your support means a world to me. Let's continue this journey together.